Yo, what's good? I recently made a tutorial on how to get custom skies and dark textures like you can see here. Why am I knifing, bro? I don't know. Um, but they patched quite a lot of things, so I'll just do a quick rundown on how to get them again because I get like 10, 20 Discord DMs and my TikTok comments are still full. Um, I'll just make a new tutorial, so we'll get right into it. So first, you're going to want to go to fishstrap.app, like you can see here. It's a blockstrap fork. In the last update, we used blockstrap, but now we are using Fishstrap. You just press download, and it starts. So now that we open Fishstrap, like you don't have to set it up or anything. You just run Roblox once. That's the important part. You have to open a Fishstrap at least once. Now that we open it up, we can close it back. We can go back out and start Fishstrap again. Go to configure settings, and in Blockstrap you can't use fast flags anymore. Like this option won't show up in Blockstrap anymore, but in Fishstrap it still works. You make sure that you have allow Fishstrap to manage fast flags on, that it's enabled, and then you go to fast flag editor, and there you have it. You put in this fast flag, FFlag, no, FFlagDebugSkyGray false. That's important, otherwise the custom skies won't work. I'll put this in the description and into my Discord in the TikTok tutorial channel. Okay, so now we add the Discord to download all the files we need. So now when you're on the Discord, it's the Trivan Discord, my Discord. You head into TikTok tutorial, the channel, and then you download tutorial.zip and make sure to say hello in general. Like, of course, that's important. Otherwise, this shit won't work, you know. You just press download. It will say potential dangerous download because it's not a official download from Discord. But I'll put in a virus scan in the description and I'll paste it in the Discord channel as well after this video comes out. So you click on continue to download, and there it is. It will download, and once it's done, um, you will have a um, yeah, something like that. Once you unpack it, unzip it, is what it will look like. There's darkest textures. That's very, very dark. I won't recommend that. I would say use medium dark textures or slightly dark textures. That's my go-to. So now we want to use medium dark textures. We go in here, plastic and studs. We have these both. So we go to search Fishstrap, open in file location. Then a new window will pop up. And there it is, Fishstrap. You go in here, open file location, and now we're in here. You go to versions. That's where we started it, because the versions folder won't show up if you don't start it up beforehand. You click in there, you open this, then you go to platform content, PC. It only works on PC. I'm sorry for the mobile and the console players. It doesn't work on there. Um, you can look up other tutorials. I don't know if there are any, but you can try to search them. Then you go to textures. Now we have these both folders here, and we just copy these two and paste it in, like paste. Replace the files in destination, yeah. Now we got the dark textures done. Then we head into Sky, and we go in the tutorial folder, we go to Roblox Skies 1 or something. I don't like Roblox Skies 1. I usually always do, I think this one, right? Yeah, that's the one I use. We copy all of these files. Make sure to not copy the screenshot. The screenshot will break it. So just copy these 6 files. Go into the Sky and then press paste again and again replace the files in the destination. So once this is done, you want to go into the tutorial and go to skybox fix. And now you just double press on move, and yeah, it's gonna say a security warning because the publisher could not be verified because it's not a like official company that published it. It's just a user made. I don't know who made it. Um, yeah, you just press on run. A window will pop up. For me, it's 0 files copied, but for you, it should be say 1, 1, 1, 1, because I already did it. Then you press any key to exit. You can close this. You can close that. You go to Fishstrap again. Fishstrap down. Launch Roblox, and it's literally that easy. It's not hard at all. And you start Rivals. Let's just hop in a public lobby. So once we go into like, I went into shooting range. Once we go in here, you see we got custom skies, we got the dark textures working. It's literally that easy, bro. Everyone can do it, I swear. It's like 5 minutes of work max. But make sure once Roblox updates, it updates like once a week. If it updates, you will have to redo it again because of course the version changes. So the changes you made in the version uh, change will get reverted because the folder inside Fishstrap changes. Make sure to follow me on TikTok. I'll publish this video on TikTok and on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe on YouTube. Make sure to follow on TikTok and make sure to join the Discord. It's in the description of the video, or for TikTok, it's in my profile description. And make sure to say hi and yeah, hop in there. Okay, see ya.